Hi friends, in today's video I will show you how to achieve a beautiful cowl neck top. I'll be using this fabric for this tutorial. I'm using Duchess fabric royal blue. So guys, the first step is to fold your fabric into two. Now this is a top. I'll be folding the upper side, that will be for the cowl design. Now I'll mark 12 inches here. This is for the draped side. This upper side will be the lining of it. So I'll mark 12 inches across like so. Then I'll connect the lines. 12 inches here. You can see it's 12 inches. Then from this upper side, I'll mark 12.5 inches. 12.5 inches. Then I will mark 3 inches. No, from this side I will mark 2.5 like so. This 2.5 inches. Then from this 2.5 I will take my armhole, which is 8.5 inches. Depending on your own, you can make it 9 inches depending on your measurement. This 8.5 inches here. I use 12.5 inches as well. I will mark 12.5 inches here. Then I'll take my armhole curve here and just fold in your armhole. Just use your tape and measure out your armhole like so, and just curve it, or use your curved ruler to curve it out. So we join this point and this point together. For the main body of the top, my bust measurement, that's what I'm using for this top, which is 37 divided by 4 will give me 9.2. Then I'll go ahead and add extra 2.5 inches. I don't want it to be a tight one, I want it to be loose. The same thing I have here, I will take it down to this side. For the length of the top, I'm using 22 inches plus 1 inch, making it 23 inches. So I will take it down to this 23 inches. Or you can decide to use your waist measurement depending on how you want it. But if you want it to be free like this, not too fitted, you can go ahead and take the same measurement you use here. You place it down to the hemline. At this point, I will join the lines together. I'll go ahead and cut it out. So by the time we are through cutting, I will open it up like so. You can see. Then I will fold it in. So by the time I place it, you can see the cowl is already coming out. I've already formed the cowl. So guys, by the time we open it, you see how it is. This is the armhole at the upper side and the armhole at the lower side. So when you fold it in like so, then turn over, you cut your back body pieces and place it to rhyme with the shoulder line of the back one. You can see how it is. So I'll place it to cut the back piece. I'll place it on my fabric like so. Remember, the back is not having any cowl, so I'll just cut it straight. So at this point, I'll take my neck measurement on this, which is 8.5 inches. That is 8 inches plus half inch. Then at the same thing, I'll mark 8.5 here, 8.5 here as well. Then I'll curve out my armhole. I will put a curve and see that I'll remove 1 inch at the shoulder slope here. To join it, mark 3.5 at the neckline. Then I'll join it to this shoulder slope here. Then for the depth, I will mark 2 inches. Take curve. You can use your hand or your curve. So this is for the back. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. So guys, after placing it, then this is for the back. Now at this line where we mark 12 inches, I'll put a notch at that point, that very point. Just put a notch. Then I'll open it up and fold it in like so to rhyme with the notched part. This is the notched part. By the time I fold it in, I'll then mark my shoulder. Depending how many inches you want it to be at the shoulder. Let's mark 3.5 inches. And I'll remove 1 inch here as my shoulder slope. From this point now will be my armhole. I'll then curve it. By the time I fold it in, I'll then mark my shoulder. Depending how many inches you want it to be at the shoulder. Let's mark 3.5 inches. And I'll remove 1 inch here as my shoulder slope. Then from this point now will be my armhole. I'll then curve it. So guys, by the time I'm through cutting, I'll place it like so. This is my shoulder line. I'll place it to rhyme with this shoulder line. I'll use my pin to hold it. I'll pin it through. The same thing I'll do to this second side. You can see by the time we pin it through, we are having a beautiful cowl top here. You can see. Just place it, let everything be aligned. You can see the cowl have already come out very well. So guys, you can see how it looks, very beautiful. Now for the sewing, the first thing I will do is to use my bias tape and turn the neckline of the back. Remember, this one is folded into two, so I don't need to use my bias tape again on it. I will use it on the back side only. After then, by the time I join everything together, I'll use my bias step as well to hold the two sides of the armhole. Can see that I'll just close it up with 1 inch at the two sides, hem it with 1 inch, the top is ready. So guys, make sure you try it out. It's very simple. The sewing is very simple. As far as you have achieved your beautiful cowl top, the sewing is very easy. Just turn the neckline, turn the armhole, join the two sides and hem the down part. The beautiful top is ready. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. Just drop your comments at the comment section. How do you feel about this top? Make sure you subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and bye till I see my next video.